Welcome back to Tackleshop Tuesday. We're going to be doing another video today, and this is very similar to last week's. If you'll notice kind of the main difference on this one, we're going to be using a two-tone head. We're going to start out, that was Sally Hansen's that we put on there. That's kind of something normal everybody's kind of doing that does this. So we'll go ahead and clip that off. Next up, we're going to be using some of this orange Marabou, and this is kind of, I don't particularly care for this Marabou, but use what you got. I think, oh dang, sorry about that guys, I just hit you on accident. Alright, we'll start again. This first little bit is just kind of a loose wrap. We're going to try to get this. My goal is typically to have the Marabou feather about the same length as the shank would be. So we'll get it going there. Then we'll come up here and we're going to trim all this junk off. If you guys remember, we had a cat helping us last week. Next up, we got some black crystal flash. Cut it in half, fold it in half twice, set it right on top. Not really worried about what it looks like right this second. Kind of fold it back, get a little bit more on there. See that one little piece there was trying to stick up, and then we'll trim this to where it looks right. Kind of give that a once over, look at it, make sure everything looks alright. I think that's going to be just fine. Next up, we'll get our chenille, and this is just a standard flat black colored chenille, and I try to start it about where the point of the hook is. Come back up here. Oops, sorry about that guys. Let me running two cameras because I don't particularly care for the color gradient on this cheaper old camera. So let's get this started again. The other camera you should be able to see, the main camera at this point, you should be able to see what I'm doing with my right hand, but I'm kind of holding this in my right hand and holding this thread out of the way at the same time. Guys, you can put as many wraps on there as you want. I just want to make sure that it's tied in there good. Come in here, clip it as close as we can, kind of press it down good, and then we're going to start with our whip tool. Come in here, get you 3 or 4 good turns with the whip tool. Next up, I always pull it kind of taut. That way when it kind of stretches, it'll pull back in there. And then lastly, another little dot of Sally Hansen's right on top. And then we'll put that on our drying rack. We got a bunch to get done today.